Good morning. Here I am in the cat and dog zone of our house, which is the back kitchen, and we don't really know what to name it because this is a new room, and I'm going to make this amazing family wall of photographs, and it's one of the many things I want to do during this lockdown. The other things I want to do, of course, are to finish all my UFOs, and I have a finished Glamis Crown and Rose and Thistle here, which all it needs is blocking and then making into something fabulous. I've got Elizabethan Oakapple, the rabbits design, which a lot of you have, and the Lady Anne's flowers, which all I need to do is a tiniest little bit down there in a leaf. It's ridiculous that I didn't finish them, but they're all demonstration pieces from when I used to do this on TV in the bad old days. So today I've had this weird mental block that I couldn't remember how to do rope stitch. So that will be the next lesson that we're going to do, which is rope stitch.